Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Google Assistant, Voice Assistant app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Google Assistant is a smart voice-powered AI developed by Google to help users perform everyday tasks through simple voice commands. It can set reminders, send texts, answer questions, control smart home devices, play music, or even hold conversations. Available on both Android and iOS, it's also built into smart devices like Google Nest, making it a convenient personal assistant across your digital ecosystem. The app's main feature is its hands-free control. Just say, "Hey Google," to perform actions instantly. It can help you navigate routes, manage your calendar, translate phrases, or get real-time updates on weather, news, and traffic. Its integration with Google services like Maps, Calendar, and YouTube makes multitasking effortless and efficient. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accuracy, fast response time, and ability to understand context in conversations. It's great for productivity, entertainment, and accessibility, allowing users to control their devices or smart homes easily. The AI continues to evolve, offering more personalized and conversational experiences over time. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users raise privacy concerns, as the app collects voice data to improve performance. It also depends on a stable internet connection, and compatibility with non-Google smart devices can be limited. Additionally, voice recognition may occasionally misinterpret complex requests. In summary, the Google Assistant app may be worth using if you want a reliable, intelligent AI companion to simplify daily tasks, manage schedules, and control smart devices. However, if you're uncomfortable with voice data collection or prefer offline privacy, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.